Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a line chart in Google Sheets. So here I have already opened my data on Google Sheets and I want to make a line chart using this data right here. So what you guys need to do first is of course select the data. I'm going to just select a few of them, and then after that go to the insert tab at the top and then find chart. Click on that. So when you click on a chart, there will the chart will be automatically created like this. And to create a line chart, you just need to change the chart type in here on the right panel in here. Click on the drop down on the chart type and find line chart. So there are three options like this. You can just choose which one that you want to use. There are three options. I'm going to go with the smooth line chart, and after that your line chart will be created. You can also make some changes like change the color, like change the style and other, just by clicking on the three dots icon and then click on the edit chart options. Okay guys, so that's all for me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button on there, and also remember to click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.